Ranch home that has great location on double fairway. Living room has a wood-burning fireplace and accesses the light and bright sunroom. Custom oak cabinetry, circular drive, concrete patio to sit and watch the golfers go by, and low-maintenance exterior. Home is close to Holiday Island dining room and shopping, medical, restaurants and clubhouse. The sunroom is a great addition with its access to living room and exterior patio. 708 square foot garage has storage units, sink and accesses a 96 square foot storage room.